We're back on the Big E show, and I'm still here with Sabrina and Egypt having a lovely time chatting with them. But I also want to make an announcement for the new legends that got deemed at the Escada Board. It was Hips Escada, it was Cece Balenciaga, it was Mina Evisu. Those are your new legends for the new, that got deemed by Rodney Milan. So it's going to be a lot of discrepancy with that. I know on Kelly's show tonight going to be a big thing over the situation when he put it all over YouTube about taking people's status back. So I know it's going to be like a big thing. So anyway, what advice, Sabrina, would you give to these new drag queens or, just coming into the scene?
My advice is, if you want to get successful in the ballroom scene, being a drag queen, is to be pretty. Because that's all they're looking for, is to be absolutely drop dead pretty. Mm-hmm. They don't look at realness, or if you in their house or Kiki girlfriends with them, that's what they looking for. But being beautiful is what they gonna judge you by. It ain't because you real or nothing like that. That's in Virginia. Mm-hmm. So don't walk in Virginia if you're a drag queen, unless you're in the house of Con, or unless you're in the house Ebony or Revlon. Nowhere else you with your life, because ain't another house down here getting their life.
Yeah, but I was gonna ask you that. What's the houses out here? Like, what is the house? Like, what's the house to be in if you're from Virginia, D.C., Baltimore?
For Virginia, the house to be in
Con, Ebony, and Revlon.
Con, Ebony, and Revlon.
Oh, that's
those are the three houses down here. Everything else is dead.
Okay. What about you, Egypt? What advice would you give to the new Vogue femmes or new, I don't know, drag queen too? I don't know what to say. What advice would you give them?
Just keep trying.
Keep trying.
Keep trying. I don't know. Shit.
Keep trying, I guess, to reach to the top.
Yeah,
now, any last minute thoughts? Something that you want to just get off your chest that maybe I didn't ask that you want to just get off your chest?
I wanted to know, as far as being realness, like, what do the judges see to judge the other girls? Because maybe I'm missing it. You know what I'm saying? Like, what do Javon and Derek and all of them see? Because it's like, at different times they want to vote for different people. I just want to know, like, what do they see so I can fix myself. You know what I'm saying? Because I think I'm kind. You know what I'm saying?
I think you're kind. Honestly, I think you're really kind. I think you're a cute girl too.
Thank you.
I can say that. And I keep it real. So I will pump with you.
Thank you.
So
thank you.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Sabrina.
And I love everybody down. You know what I'm saying? I love Javon down, Derek down, all the house fathers in Virginia.
Basically, what you just want to know, what's the tea?
I just want to know what's the tea. Like, let me know. If y'all get a chance to be on Vicky show, let a girl know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know.
Egypt, do you have any investment there? Or maybe I didn't ask you when to get up your chest. This is the time. No, you good. Well, thank you guys so much for doing the show, whatever. And hopefully, I'll be back down and do some more show. Maybe come to my show next year, 2011, and we can make this happen. So anyway, tune into Sabrina's Revlon show. It will be up tonight. Leave your comments and your reviews on, everything.
Right.
And that's it. Thank you.
Bye.